Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Josh. Giselle's my camera lady today. So, originally when we came up with the concept of Josh and Giselle, it was going to be about marital affairs and stuff like that. What it's like to be a husband, what it's like to be a wife, what it's like to be in an interracial marriage. Well, we also came up with the concept that we wanted to make this into sort of a cultural combination of how we do things. Like in the kitchen. So we're in the kitchen right now. I'm about to make a very, very simple dinner. As far as, mingling with Chinese style and Spanish style cooking. Not so much, but hey, we're all in quarantine right now, so I figured I'd maybe put up a video about cooking. So I hope you enjoy. Today what we're gonna make is an oven baked grilled chicken thighs and drumstick recipe. I have my chicken right here. Take out the thighs. I always skin my thighs and my drumsticks. I wash them up, dry them a little, put them in a bowl. And believe me, we're not gonna put this in the oven. We gotta season this bad boy. So we'll worry about that towards the end, because right now I want to get to the whole marination process of the chicken itself. Here's my chicken. Let's walk over to the table. Hey Sophia, what's up, kitty? That's my cat. Say hi, Sophie.
I think she's hungry.
She's hungry. It's almost feeding time, but let's go ahead and get this marination process down first.
I think she's like watching you.
Of course, I need an audience. So one of the other ingredients I'm using that goes on last is celery. So celery and onions, not so much of a medley. I don't have potatoes. I'm not using peppers or anything or any other vegetables. But seasoning I'm going to be using today is Himalayan salt, black pepper, organic oregano.
At Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's, that's right. Spice Classics basil leaves, and kikkoman teriyaki sauce because my wife loves marinade.
Obsessed.
And in the end, with a little Spanish touch, sazon.
Yes.
That's in the end.
Of course.
First and foremost, Himalayan salt. Now, I normally don't go by precise measurement.
Follow your heart.
Follow your heart. Caprese your soul. All that good shit. Black pepper. Drumsticks are underneath the chicken thighs, so you guys may not be able to see it. Basil leaves. Can you think of anything else we need in this chicken? Any spices you may want to?
Hey, you're the one that's cooking, and you feeling the soul alive or some.
I'm feeling the soul. I got some green seasonings here. Maybe a little paprika.
All right, why not? I love paprika.
A touch of paprika never hurts. So
Not at all.
Come to the pantry here.
As long as the chicken is seasoned,
It'll be seasoned. No need to worry. Paprika. There we go. And how about a little garlic powder?
Of course.
Doesn't that look pretty?
Beautiful.
All right, paprika.
That Spanish brand.
Sure.
Get in that shit. Yeah. Mhm.
Get that paprika in there. Don't be shy. Paprika has a very mild flavor to it, so like garlic powder, this is what you gotta be careful with.
Too much.
Too much. It's not a good thing. All right, so a touch right there. Now a little wet marinade. Teriyaki. Nice little touch. There we go.
Get that in there, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Get in
yeah.
there. Yeah.
That shit up. Oh, you hear that? It's like ASMR.
It's like ASMR, except I don't have the cleavage to show.
Well, there's cleavage inside the bowl, all right? Some chicken and everything.
I've got my dish right here. I'm gonna use butter. Now I've had the butter sitting out for the past 45 minutes or so, just so that.
I think the cat wants some.
Yeah.
Sophia?
What do you think, Sophia? All right, I'll let that press. I'm gonna wash my hands. Butter. That's what I'm gonna swab the dish with. Here, I give it maybe a tablespoon and a half of butter, unsalted. So like I said, this has already been sitting out for a little bit. Let me just that's bottom. So I'm gonna smear this all over the dish, all over the tray. Just get it there. Yeah.
All over the sides.
All over the sides. We don't want anything to stick.
We don't want no dry ass chicken, all right?
Nope. I mean, the only chicken thighs and drumsticks. Hardly ever are they gonna be dry unless
I want that moist.
Yeah. Unless you over grill the chickens. I mean, if you grill it for like an hour or more, definitely it's gonna be dry. And you know what? Doesn't look like we need to use the whole thing.
Oh God.
Oh, see?
Sophie.
See, my hands are still kind of buttery. My chicken's here. We evenly disperse drumsticks, thighs on this tray. I think I have 5 drumsticks. Look at that. Oh yeah.
What the
It's okay if it's not too much spacing. My chicken's kind of a very nice buttery slash
Smells good.
Seasoned flavor. Yeah, it smells very nice.
Really nice.
Alright. So towards at the end here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna dress our chicken with celery and onions. So celery, we're gonna use everything. Same thing with onions. Put some here on the sides. Yeah, look at that. How's that look?
It's looking beautiful.
Does it look like it's made by a professional?
It's look like it's made with love.
With love, yes. I never believe in using exact measurements. I mean, that's probably something that, I don't know, people that don't see that in food do. Alright, steam this up. Alright, I'm gonna go grab my onions.
Make it rain with onions.
Raining with onions. No harm in that.
You're bringing a tear to my eyes.
Literally?
Yes.
Oh, you're weak. Actually, it does look really nice. Holy
The
shit.
colors.
I'm surprised at myself. Alright. The onions are not the onions, the butter that I have remaining there, I'm actually gonna throw that on top, so that way when it's in the oven, it'll glaze over. Oops. Right there in the center. Just glaze in the
Wow,
center.
look at that, everyone.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So, nothing too elaborate. I'm gonna put the chicken in there, and we're gonna wait about half an hour to 35 minutes, and we'll continue the video once it's done.
Yay.
Okay, so it's been about 35 to maybe 40 minutes. My timer is here. It's still going. I don't know why. At the end of the other video, I didn't put the sazon on top of the chicken, but I did. So that's what it looks like.
Oh,
How's that look?
Looks beautiful. And it's sizzling.
Beautiful coloring.
Oh yeah,
The red.
show the rice and the beans.
All right, so yeah, maybe this is Spanish cooking to some degree, because we got some Spanish white rice that my mother-in-law prepared.
Arroz Carolina.
Arroz Carolina.
Yeah.
Habichuelas.
Wow.
Yeah, let me just scoop this up. Take a look at those beans. Hell yeah. So we're gonna be serving dinner. I hope everyone enjoyed the whole process of me marinating and cooking the chicken. It wasn't, It's not rocket science. It's pretty self-explanatory. So if you like the video, please subscribe, please hit like. Any comments, by all means, any advice, Always open to new ideas, new recipes. So here it is. We are starving.